Here's how you can fix the unable to launch game. Start by finding the GTA 5 launcher file. On Steam, right-click the game in your library, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Browse. On Epic, click the three dots next to the game, go to Manage, and open the Install folder. Once you're there, find either gtavlauncher.exe or playgtav.exe, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Next, check something called the Program Compatibility Assistance Service. Press Windows +R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll through the list and find that service. Double-click it, set the startup type to Automatic, and hit Start if it isn't already running. Then click Apply and OK. If you use mods like ScriptHook-V, and you're not planning to play online, try disabling Batli. Open the Rockstar Launcher, go to Settings, select GTA 5, and turn Batli off if you see that option. Then close the launcher and try opening the game again. Sometimes extra files can cause issues too. Go to your GTA 5 folder and look for a file called args.ext. If it's there, delete it. Also, if you're using mods, try removing them temporarily to see if one of them is the problem. If you're on Steam, you can try adding a launch option. Right-click GTA 5 in your library, go to Properties, and in the Launch Options box, type Nobali. Then try launching the game again. One last trick. If you're playing through Epic Games but have Rockstar Launcher installed, try launching the game directly from Rockstar Launcher instead of Epic. It sometimes makes a difference. As a final step, turn off your antivirus temporarily to rule out false positives. And definitely make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. If you bought the game legitimately, avoid using any cracks or unofficial launchers. They tend to break things more than they help.